How to find the list of active sessions that are currently running Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can find all of the current active sessions of your Claude account in different devices. So this is especially useful when you are running a shared plan of Claude, or especially if you want to check out for any malicious or suspicious activity and confirm if you are the only one who is running your own Claude account. So how you can verify this is fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply click over to your account icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and once you do this you will see this menu which has popped up. So simply choose settings from this menu, and from here click onto the account option. Once you will do this, you can see all of the active sessions right here. So currently my only says only a single session. If you see multiple sessions or you see any particular session that you don't recognize, you can simply click onto these three dots and click onto this logout option to log yourself your account out from that particular session. So that's how easily you can secure your cloud account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.